Did you hear the snoring? This is the shit I have to work with. Okay, here we go. Hi, I'm E. Welcome to my kitchen. If you're new to the channel, this is basically my way of showing you can cook incredible food stress-free. We're making easy weeknight dinners that actually taste good, sourdough recipes, and recipes using basic ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. So whether you're looking to level up your kitchen game, learn a new recipe, or figure out this cooking thing together, pull up a stool, hit that subscribe button. There's plenty of room at the table. New recipes drop every Sunday, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Bye.